AT&T Fiber versus Google Fiber. Choosing the right fiber internet can completely change how you experience speed and reliability without the hassle of buffering or outages. Both offer high-speed connections but differ in availability and plans. AT&T Fiber and Google Fiber are two leading fiber internet providers. The core difference lies in their coverage and service options. AT&T offers broader nationwide availability and diverse plans, while Google Fiber focuses on select cities with straightforward pricing and high speeds. AT&T Fiber is a nationwide fiber optic internet service delivering ultra-fast speeds up to 5 gigabits per second in many areas. It works by running fiber optic cables directly to your home, ensuring consistent high bandwidth and low latency. AT&T offers a variety of plans, including options bundled with TV and phone services, making it flexible for different household needs. Strengths include extensive coverage across many states, reliable customer service, and scalable speeds suited for gaming, streaming, and remote work. However, some users report that pricing can be complex due to promotional rates and additional fees after the initial contract period. Installation times may vary depending on location, and availability is limited in rural areas. Ideal users are families or professionals who need a dependable, fast connection with customizable packages and nationwide support. Google Fiber is a high-speed fiber internet service primarily available in select metropolitan areas. It provides symmetrical upload and download speeds, with popular plans offering 1 gigabit per second and options up to 2 gigabits. Google Fiber connects homes directly via fiber optic cables, delivering minimal latency and consistent performance. Its strengths include simple transparent pricing with no data caps or hidden fees, and easy online account management. Google Fiber is praised for its straightforward service and quick installation where available. Limitations include a much smaller coverage area focused on specific cities, which restricts access from many potential customers. There are fewer bundled service options compared to AT&T, focusing solely on internet service. The ideal user is someone living in a supported city who wants fast, reliable internet with clear pricing and minimal hassle, especially suitable for heavy streaming, gaming, or working from home. Comparing AT&T Fiber and Google Fiber comes down to coverage, pricing, and service options. AT&T Fiber has a wider reach, making it accessible in more regions, including suburban and some rural areas, with multiple plan tiers and bundling possibilities. This flexibility suits families needing combined services or those wanting ultra-high speeds up to 5 Gbps. Conversely, Google Fiber offers a simpler, more transparent pricing model with no data caps, ideal for users in supported cities who prefer straightforward internet service without extras. Google Fiber's symmetrical speeds and consistent performance make it excellent for streaming and gaming. However, its limited availability means many users won't have access. AT&T's broader presence and variety of plans come with more complexity in pricing and potential fees. Choosing between them depends on location and whether you value simplicity or a broader selection of services. Choose AT&T Fiber if you need broad availability, customizable plans, and bundled services, especially in areas where Google Fiber is not an option. Google Fiber is the best choice for straightforward, high-speed internet with transparent pricing in supported cities. If you prioritize simplicity and consistent gigabit speeds without data caps, Google Fiber delivers excellent value and performance for your home or office.